Okay, so Canva is mostly used for social media stuff and digital content, but you can also use it for printing, as long as you're aware of a few limitations, I guess. Uh, so the first one is, okay, let's say we want to use a t-shirt template. I mean, it really depends on what you're looking to print on, I guess. If you want to print on paper, I guess there's one. I mean, you have a few limitations if you want to print t-shirts. Yeah, I mean, it depends on what exactly you're looking to print on. For example, if you want to print a t-shirt, they actually can print the actual t-shirt and ship it to your location for you. Yeah, so you just click the style, the color, the size, the quantity, customize the actual design. I mean, everything is already pre-made for you. You can, like, obviously add your own content. You can add illustrations, you can edit text, and you can see it will get updated in real time on the actual design. Let's make it white. Yeah, so now it's visible. Yeah, so this is like how the process works if you want to use them to print the actual t-shirt for you. And in our case, we're talking about t-shirts, but they also offer like a bunch of other options to print on. You can go to share, print your design, and you can basically print on a bunch of different stuff, on mugs, on hoodies, on. You can create business cards. You can create like infographics, like canvases, and they do pretty much everything for you. You just add your details, your address, and you pay, and you just wait. If you're looking to actually print on paper and you're looking for, like, I mean, you want something more professional, I would suggest you probably use a dedicated software that's specifically built for printing. Canva, for example, doesn't work with CMYK colors, which are used for printing. Another thing to consider is that so if you're looking to export, right, you go to download, you would want to go with PDF print probably all the time, because it's the only option that gives you the maximum amount of DPI. I think it's 300 DPI. But yeah, it's the only option that gives you 300. Most of them give you, I think, 72, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so DPI is basically how many what's it called? What's DPI? It's the density of pixels, basically. Yeah, dots per inch, I guess. It's the same. I mean, the same principle, right? It's how many pixels you put inside an inch. So the more pixels you have, the sharper the actual image is going to look, so it's better for print, especially if you're going to print on larger sizes. Or like, you would probably want to go with SVGs because they're vector files, so they're scalable, but I'm not really sure if that's going to be more complicated for printing or not. Yeah, so to summarize, you can definitely create stuff and print them with Canva directly, or you can download them as PDFs for print and print them manually yourself. You can definitely do it in Canva, but if you're looking for a software that's dedicated for printing and has like specific features and stuff, I guess you might want to look somewhere else. Yeah, so Canva is mostly built for to be accessible and made to be used for like templates for social media and digital stuff. So it might lack a few of the more advanced features for printing. So yeah, it's just something to keep in mind.